Have you ever reached the end of the month wondering where all your money went? Even though you thought you were being careful, you're not alone. Join me as I challenge myself to manage my money like a pro by sticking to a daily budget for an entire month. Managing your money effectively is crucial for achieving financial stability. It's something that can greatly impact your quality of life, allowing you to enjoy the things you love without stressing about bills or debt. A daily budget helps you keep track of your spending, ensuring you stay within your means. By doing so, you can make informed decisions about how to allocate your resources. A daily budget also helps you prioritize your spending, focusing on what's truly important to you. It's not just about cutting costs, but also about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. By having a clear picture of your financial situation, you can identify areas where you can improve and make adjustments accordingly. Many people struggle with managing their finances, and it's easy to see why. With so many expenses to keep track of, it's hard to stay on top of things. But with a daily budget, you can take control of your finances and make progress towards your goals. It's amazing how much of a difference a daily budget can make. You'll be surprised at how much you can save and how much more secure you'll feel. Overspending is a common issue that can quickly derail your financial plans. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and buy things on impulse, only to regret them later. Another challenge people face is not being aware of their expenses. It's surprising how much you can spend on small things without even realizing it. Lack of awareness about expenses can lead to overspending, which can be detrimental to your financial health. Many people also struggle with irregular income or unexpected expenses, making it hard to stick to a budget. Some may feel overwhelmed by the idea of tracking every single expense, while others may not know where to start. Not having a clear financial goal can also make it difficult to create a budget that works for you. You might end up feeling frustrated and give up on budgeting altogether. Regular expenses such as car maintenance or medical bills can also throw you off track. And let's not forget about the temptation to keep up with the latest trends or try to keep up with friends' spending habits. You might feel like you're doing okay, only to realize you've overspent in one area or another. This can lead to a vicious cycle of debt and financial stress. People often struggle with impulse purchases, buying things they don't need. They might also have trouble prioritizing needs over wants. To create a daily budget, start by tracking your expenses. Write down everything you spend, no matter how small. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Next, set your financial goals. What do you want to achieve? Do you want to save for a big purchase, pay off debt, or build an emergency fund? Having a clear goal in mind will help you stay motivated to stick to your budget. Review your income and expenses to see where you can cut back. Look for areas where you can reduce spending and allocate that money towards your goals. It's also essential to adjust your spending habits. Be honest with yourself about what you need versus what you want. Make a plan for irregular expenses so they don't catch you off guard. Consider setting aside a small amount each month for unexpected expenses. You can also automate your savings and bill payments to make it easier to stick to your budget. Don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. Simply get back on track and keep moving forward. There are many tools and methods available that can make budgeting easier and more effective. One powerful tool is the 50-30-20th rule. Allocate 50% of your income towards necessary expenses like rent and utilities. Use 30% for discretionary spending and 20% for saving and debt repayment. This simple rule can help you prioritize your spending and ensure you're saving enough. You can also consider using budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your expenses and stay on top of things. These tools can help you identify areas where you can improve and provide a clear picture of your financial situation. The 50-30-20th rule is a great starting point, but you may need to adjust it based on your individual circumstances. For example, if you have high interest debt, you may want to allocate more towards debt repayment. In conclusion, managing your money like a pro requires a daily budget. It's by tracking your expenses, setting financial goals, and adjusting your spending habits. You can take control of your finances. A daily budget helps you prioritize your spending, make conscious choices, and achieve financial stability. By adopting a daily budgeting approach, you can reduce stress and anxiety related to money. You'll be able to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. A daily budget is not restrictive. It's a tool to help you make the most of your money. The benefits of daily budgeting are clear. You'll have more control over your finances, reduce debt, and build savings. You might be surprised at how much you can save and how much more secure you'll feel. So, what are you waiting for? Start managing your money like a pro today. If you have any budgeting experiences or tips, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Do not forget to check out my other videos on financial tips and strategies for more advice on managing your money.